See that shadow? That means I'm coming. See it? That means I'm coming. Ta-da. Me again. Beast Hogan. Check it out. This is what we got today. Again, my AEA HPSS Plus 30 caliber. Those are my old phones. I'm finna disconnect all service. Get rid of everything. I'm gonna go back a little bit past the camera, and I'm gonna shoot every one of them. There's some Nelson 47.3 grain hollow points in here. Optimus scope time 32. You know my style. I'm not going way to the car this time. This time, I'm going right behind the camera, blast the shit out of them, and then I'm gonna pick the camera up, and I'm gonna see if I can find what's happening. But let me show you this first. So you make sure you know what you're looking at. Yeah, the pellet shot. See that? You can read that. Wait a minute. This guy got something on it too. And, well, if I break it down like this, I can show you the scope. I'm gonna take about from here, no, from the camera, about 2 steps, so I can blast their ass up good with all 50 foot-pounds of energy coming up out this. See that shadow? That means I ain't far. I'm gonna start with the one on the left. That way, it won't make the rest of them disappear. Count it down. 3, 2, 1. Next. 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 One more. All right. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. We got damage. We got damage. We got plenty damage. The thing is, oh, it's in there. Right there. Didn't go through either. So far, nothing went through. So far, nothing went through because it was hitting, I guess, the batteries. Wait a minute. Just one more. Not go through. It's stuck in there. Trying to come out the back. Didn't work. Well, there you have it. Oh, wait a minute. That one did. Kind of. Whatever. All right.